take you very far. When you wish upon a dream, life ain't always what it seems, oh yeah.
ABL! Hey, hey!
Yeah, baby! You like that?
Shining star for you to see what your life can truly be. Shining star for you to see what your life can truly be. Shining star for you to see what your life can truly be.
Ooh, baby, the anti-villain league can't catch this. Guess who stole the match? Hallelujah!
I got this! Aha! Good work! The map to the legendary Zodiac Stone. We will become the most powerful villains in the world! Okay, let's get a move on. We leave for Asia tonight.
You know, Becky, if a werewolf was attacking you, I'd help.
Oh, Rob, that's so romantic.
Please! It's our first date, and I'm not that kind of girl. Call me! The name's Stretch! I'm in the book! Good evening. This film was shot in smell-o-vision, and we want to make sure you get the full effect. Oh, there's no need to thank me. Stinky's the name, and I'm glad to be of service.
Thanks for the popcorn!
I made that batch myself, and let's just say it ain't exactly butter.
Excuse me, have you seen my uncles?
I don't get paid enough to see nothing, kid. You want to go in and look? You gotta buy a ticket.
I don't have any money on me. I'm pretty sure they're inside.
Look, I am telling you for the last time.
Okay, the stereotypical thing to do now would be to yell, "A ghost!" and run away screaming. But come on, that's so been done. This never happened to Patrick Swayze.
Casper, the friendly ghost, the friendliest ghost you know. Though grown-ups might look at him with fright, children all love him so. Casper, friendly ghost, he couldn't be bad or mean. He'll romp and play, sing and dance all day. The friendliest ghost you've seen. He always says hello, and he's really glad to meet you wherever he may go. He's kind to every living creature. Grown-ups don't understand why children love him the most, but the kids
Ha!